Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia and Tigray region war is that at the moment we are receiving the latest situation from the western Tigray region, and according to him, it is being said that heavy fighting is going on in Adi Ghosho and the south of the Keze river between Ethiopian army, Amhara forces, Fano militias and Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, and this war has been going on for the last 2 days, and according to the news received from many reliable sources, so far Tigray Defense Force has captured 2 Woridas, and it has been said that Tigray Defense Force has gained control over the Antico and Adi Garret during the past 2 days war. And I had already informed you that a large number of Amhara's forces and its allied forces are present in southern Tigray. And a few days ago, Tigray Defense Force had also received an order from Tigray President Dr. Debretsion Gebremichael to get a handle on southern Tigray. And now, from many reliable sources, it is being said that heavy war between Ethiopian army, its allies and Tigray Defense Force is going on in Adi Ghosho and the south of Tigray river. And so far, Tigray Defense Force has gained control over the Antico and Adi Garret city during the past 2 days war. So viewers, and subscribe to the channel to keep track for the latest situation. Thanks for watching.